Anambra State, nicknamed the Light of the Nation. The present-day Anambra State was created on the 27th of August 1991 out of the old Anambra State, with its capital in Awka. Anambra State is one of the 36 states of Nigeria located in the southeastern region. Anambra shares border with Delta State in the west, Enugu State in the east, Kogi State in the north, Imo State and River State in the south. Anambra derived its name from Omambala, a river that runs through the state. According to the 2022 census report, the population of Anambra is projected to be around 9 million, making it the 8th most populous state in Nigeria, but the second smallest in land mass. Anambra is home to three principal cities: Onitsha, a port city and the state center of commerce; Awka, the capital city of the state; and Nnewi, the industrial capital. The state is one of the most urbanized states in Nigeria, with 65% of its population living in urban areas. Some of the major principal towns in the state include Ekwuobia, Aguleri, Oko, Igboariam, Okozu, Omo, Igbubu, Nri, Agulu, Obosi, Anam, Ogunike, Oba, Ogidi, and others. Anambra State consists of 21 local government areas, namely Agwata, Awka North and South, Anambra East and West, Onitsha, Ayamelu, Dunukofia, Ekwusigo, Idemili North and South, Ihiala, Njikoka, Nnewi North and South, Ogbaru, Onitsha North and South, Olumba North and South, and Oyi local government area. Most of the riverine communities in Anambra State experiences seasonal flooding. Because of this, many internally displaced persons camps have been set up in different locations in the state to accommodate the flood victims who fled their homes for safety. Agriculture is an important economic sector in Anambra State. Oil palm, rice, yam, maize, cocoyam, groundnut, and cassava are among the crops grown in the state. Fishing is also part of the economic mainstay of Anambra State, more especially in communities in the riverine areas. Anambra State houses the first Nigerian vehicle manufacturing company, Imo State, an automobile manufacturing company located in Enugu. It is also home to one of the largest markets in Africa, the Onitsha main market, located in the city of Onitsha. Anambra State is rich in natural gas, crude oil, and ceramics. In 2006, a foundation-laying ceremony for the first Nigerian private refinery, the Orient Petroleum Refinery, was made at Aguleri area. And in 2012, Anambra State was listed as an oil-producing state. Anambra State is known to be leading in basic education in Nigeria, especially in science and technology. In 2018, 5 students from Regina Pacis Model Secondary School, Onitsha, won gold medals at the World Technovation Challenge held in Silicon Valley, San Francisco. Anambra State is home to some of the best tertiary institutions in Nigeria, like the Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, and the Madonna University, Okija. Other tertiary institutions in the state include Anambra State University, also known as Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University, Federal Polytechnic, Oko, Nwafọ Orizu College of Education, Nsugbe, Anambra State Polytechnic, Mgbakwo, Tansian University, Umuyi, Paul's University, Awka, Legacy University, Okija, among others. Anambra State is home to some of the most prominent people in Nigeria, like the late Nnamdi Azikiwe, Louis Ojukwu, Chinue Achebe, Professor Dola Akunyili, Chuba Okadigbo, Cyprian Ekwensi, Professor Kenneth Dike, Dr. Alex Ekweme, Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, Philip Emeagwali, Cletus Ibeto, Godwin Maduka, Chika Obi, Chuba Okadigbo, Pius Okigbo, Chief Osita Osadebe, Blessed Tensi Iwenne, Innocent Chukwuma, Cardinal Francis Arenze, Mr. Peter Obi, among many others. If you are a lover of tourism and wishes to visit Anambra State, Anambra is an ideal destination for tourism, especially cultural tourism, adventure and recreational tourism. The state houses one of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the Ogbunike Cave, which is one of the most visited tourist sites in Anambra State and Nigeria. Other attractions in the state include the Obupu Cave and Waterfall, located in Owele Zukala, Agunu Lake, Omambala Lake, Vuluvu Lake, Lake Iyefi, Okpeze Lake, and Ordinary Museum. Some of the major cultural festivals celebrated in Anambra State include the Ofala Festival, celebrated in Onitsha, Nnewi, Ukpo, and Aguleri. Others are Igwaro Festival, celebrated in Uri and Enugu Ukwu, Afiolo Festival, celebrated in Nnewi, Nwafogidi Festival, celebrated in Ogidi, Imo Festival, celebrated in Awka, Uziyi Festival, celebrated in Umoji, Edaro Festival, celebrated in Apagana, among many others.
One knows all. More reason than giving, no. You never knows all. But the channels all. How about you? You can't say. You look at you look what you can run out. You go born the flag. You walk at a kitty. No, but do not land to. Everybody. What is